Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I actually got to camp this weekend. I don't know if you guys follow along and see I posted a picture Saturday from our campground. We went over there to do a little test run to make sure we had everything in the new camper for when we leave for Gulf Shores in a few weeks. I will be shooting lots of video and content in Gulf Shores. So basically, I'll be taking you guys with me, minus getting to sit on the beach with me. I'm sorry. I want to show you guys a small fifth wheel option. So this little guy, the 23 MLS, to me is perfect if you're looking for more room than you get in a traditional travel trailer, but you're trying to stay on the light side of things as far as the fifth wheel. I forget the total weight on this one. We'll get that when we get up there. So I'm going to show you some features. It does have the new updated color scheme on it, which is absolutely beautiful. It's what mine looks like, and I love it. You'll see we have an awning. It is an electric awning with LED that stretches the majority of the camper, going to give you plenty of shade. You have a large pass-through storage up here at the front. You also have the ability to hook up your TV out here, so you have power and cable satellite hookup, so you can have a TV out here. Outside speakers, solid steps, which I'm always a huge fan of. I think this one has a ladder. Let's double check. Can I get my head back here? Yes, this one does have the ladder. So it is fully walkable roof, super easy to access for cleaning and maintenance. It also has a backup camera prep in it, as well as something I don't talk about enough is it is pre-wired for solar. So if you're planning on doing some boondocking or you just want some extra power, all you have to do is buy the panels and this thing is already ready to go. The weight on this is 7,140 pounds, so very, very light by fifth wheel standards. So when we come in, I'm actually going to start at the front, which is going to be the bedroom, and then we'll work our way back. So we've got a queen size bed in this one. We have nightstands on both sides with ample room. It does have power and USB, but you have ample room there for your phone, your tablet, CPAP machine, anything and everything. And you also have drawers on both sides for snacks, which is awesome. There is storage underneath the bed. In addition, you've got his and hers closets there with some storage up above. And you have this nice big closet over here that does feature drawers in the closet. In addition, in the bedroom, you also have a backer here in the wall, so you can mount a TV right here, so you can come back, close the bedroom door, relax in the bedroom, and watch TV. Bathroom, we've got our toilet, of course. Sit-down shower, huge fan. Absolutely love my sit-down shower. Sink with storage below, as well as a medicine cabinet with storage. And then you see over here, we actually have quite a bit of storage right here, which is super nice. Coming down the steps, we're coming into the main living area. We have our theater seats over here. Those do have power, heat, and massage. They're identical to the seats that I have in my camper, and I was using the heat this weekend. Oh, it's fantastic. Put a little blanket over you, kick that heat on. It's perfect. Directly across from that, we have our booth dinette, so that will turn into a bed. So you can sleep a couple of additional people here with the booth dinette. We've got more storage options here. You'll see our TV is right here, and it is on a swivel, so you can turn that any direction you need with some storage there. And then last but certainly not least, we come to our kitchen area. So we've got our stainless steel refrigerator. We have our 3-burner stove, microwave conveniently placed right above the stove. Quite a bit of countertop space, actually a lot of countertop space. You've got a 50/50 stainless steel sink with a detachable sprayer, and again, more storage below as well as over here. And it is the updated color scheme, so you'll notice that you've got a good blend. It's not too light, but it's also not too dark. They've done a really good job, like your darker accents here, your darker furniture with your lighter cabinetry and your lighter countertop. So there you guys have it. More space, definitely more ceiling height in a very compact and, in my opinion, super cute fifth wheel. Guys, if you have any questions, as always, leave a comment down below, or if there's something particular you want to see, let us know and we'll be happy to go shoot it for you.